Hey guys, happy Saturday. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Val and this is a weekend vlog. I'm starting off a little bit late, but we are out super early. Actually, it's not really that early. It's about 10 a.m. We woke up maybe around 7 or so and drove about an hour and a half away from home to do plum and peach picking. So usually every year the family and we go out, we do our cherry picking, and today we're doing plum and peaches. So it's beautiful, it's gorgeous outside. It is like 29 degrees Celsius. It's hot, and yeah, we're just out here having fun. We're gonna start picking and I'll see you guys in a bit. Thank you, Mama. Oh, look what my daughter just picked for me. Super cute. No, honestly, this looks like someone's hair attached to the branch. What is this?
What?
This! It looks like...
It's not hair. It's wires.
That is not a wire.
Maybe it's a
It looks like weave.
It's a rope.
A rope? Maybe it's a rope. Some kind of rope that looks like hair. See, let me see yours. Very good. So good.
Ew.
Appears.
One.
Wait, is that one good? Ooh, this thing poked me. Jeez.
They don't.
No, these look beautiful. I wouldn't eat it though, but it looks like
Egg.
eggs. No, shy.
Egg.
It's not like overly soft. Looks good? Okay, throw it in.
Oh, okay.
Let's see it. Looks good. No!
Bad.
Really?
There was a bug crawling in it.
Okay, no, we don't want no bugs. Hey, what about this? Right there, this whole group of, yeah.
This?
Yeah, grab some from there.
I'm gonna go on the tractor.
We're gonna go on the tractor when we leave, okay? Yeah. Ramen time. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So the last time I spoke to you guys was yesterday, Saturday. We all went peach picking and it was super fun. Usually we do cherry picking like every year with the kids and they love it, but this year we decided to throw in peach picking and plum picking as well, and it was just a lot of fun. And it is nice getting the family out and just, you know, having and sharing these memories. And you know what, my husband is amazing at doing stuff like this. Like, he's the one that planned everything. So yeah, it was great, but it knocked me out. I was super tired afterwards, and we all took a nap and just, you know, just being in the sun that long and just being up early, it can really wear you out. It was a nice chill Saturday. What did I do? I went grocery shopping after that, just prepping for back to school. And sorry if you see me looking down, I'm just cleaning up my makeup here because I just finished just putting on a light a light beat. I'm going out later, so I just wanted to do my makeup real quick, and I just figured why not turn on the camera and talk to you guys as well. Lately my makeup has been really simple, and I like that. I don't like too much makeup going on. I don't even do eyeshadow. I don't do eyeliner. I don't do any of that anymore. It's just concealer, no, foundation, concealer, set it, bronzer, a lip gloss, mascara, and that is it, guys. So I'm just gonna reapply a little bit more. Oh, see, when you wear glasses, like, you get these creases, and I hate it. You know, usually on Sundays I do my hair, but my hair has been flat ironed for the past week. I should actually be doing it today, but I have like no time. And I relaxed last week Thursday, so I'm about a week and 3 days post relaxer. So I'm gonna wash tomorrow, and I'm going to do like my post relaxer routine. I might do Olaplex, or I'll just probably do like a light, oh geez, I just poked my eye, or I'll probably do like a light protein treatment. I kind of want to use replenishing conditioner from ORS, because that really gets my hair together after a relaxer. So yeah, my relaxer stretch went really good. I had no issues, no under processing either on relaxer days, so I'm really happy. And you know, obviously around the 3-week mark is when things start to kind of get more textured, so I'm hoping that is not the case. But yeah, the relaxer stretch was really good. I had 0 issues, wore a lot of protective styles, and yeah, nothing to report. And to be quite honest with you guys, I'm kind of kicking myself at this point, because part of me said, you know what, your ends look pretty good. I did like a nice little dusting after relaxer day, and they looked pretty good. They looked blunt. But I said, you know what, no, let me go to the salon and just get it cleaned up. And mind you, before I went to the salon, my hair was like mid-back length, and I've been kind of maintaining this bra strap length look, and I kind of had like a little self-talk about it, like, why maintain bra strap? You know what, let's grow it out. Why not? That was the plan. And my ends looked pretty good, and I wish I had taken a photo of how my hair looked prior to getting it trimmed, or cut, I should say at this point. And I kind of told him, I'm like, look, I don't want much taken off. I want to have at least 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, if that, taken off. And I brought my mom with me just to kind of babysit him, because when he's back there, I can't see what he's doing, and he kind of goes overboard and just tries to make everything even, which I don't mind. I love a nice blunt look, but he just took it too far. And my mom was watching him. She said, oh, it's not too much, it's about 1/2 an inch, and in reality it felt like a good 1.5 to 2 inches. So I'm not happy about it, and part of me feels to just, you know what, either my husband's gonna trim my ends, or my sister's gonna trim my ends, or I'm gonna go to a Supercuts or a Great Clips and just have them do it, because I feel like I'm not really being heard, and it's not the first time he's done it either. So yeah, that's the plan, and I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like. I feel like I'm where I was back in June, so I'm like right here. It was much longer. It was much longer than this. So it is what it is. I'm not happy about it, and that's my little rant about my hair, you guys. It's hair. I know it will grow back. It's nice and blunt and full. Actually, right now it's kind of pasty because it's been over a week, and I've been applying a lot of serums and edge control. So at this point I have to wash my hair, and I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but I'm not really happy with how much he took off. It wasn't necessary, to be honest. Going to this stylist again, no, I'm not gonna go through it 2 times to learn my lesson. 1 time and that's it, we're done. Like, you gotta listen to your clients. You have to listen to who's in your chair, because you are not paying, and it's not your hair. They are paying you, it is their hair. Listen to your clients. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, this is the hair situation. That's my little rant. It's not too bad. It's nice and sleek. The relaxer took pretty well. My hair looks really black right now, like really dark. And I always get this question, you know, are you gonna share what color you use? You know, what do you color your hair with? And you guys, I don't color my hair. And my hair was kind of brown when I first started my hair journey, but I think just over time and switching relaxers, it just got darker. And I was thinking, you guys, part of me wants to do like a castor oil challenge, but not castor oil, more so like a scalp oil challenge. So just doing nightly scalp massages, you know, just sticking to a routine, just focusing on scalp health. So just clarifying monthly. I'll figure out the rules, but if you're down, let me know in the comments, because I'd love for you guys to join me. Having you guys with me will make it that much more special, and we can just push and motivate each other. My focus is going to be on just massaging my scalp, getting that growth, and of course, you know, eating properly and getting enough rest, having a good water intake, just to ensure that the internal stuff is taken care of, but also focusing on scalp health. So that's, my hair looks so flat, like zero new growth. Oh my gosh. So that's gonna be the focus. Let me know if you're down an scalp oil challenge of a sort. Oh, quick update. So on Relaxer Day, I used the silicone mix bamboo conditioner. Normally I would use my Xoxo, it's the moisture protein balance conditioner. It's the moisture recovery balm. There we go. So I would normally use the recovery balm from Xoxo on Relaxer Day, but I couldn't find it anywhere in my house. I don't know where I put it. So I used the silicone mix bamboo and it was amazing. Hands down, this moisturizing deep conditioner has quickly become a staple. I love it. My hair was smooth, it was just soft, it was hydrated. I think that conditioner is like the perfect prep for heat styling, because it does have those silicones and it just smooths your hair. It lays the cuticles perfectly. So it's definitely something that is going to be in my arsenal. I'm actually really happy that I got the big jar as opposed to the smaller ones, because I'm kind of heavy-handed and I really want it to last. So very pleased, very happy with that purchase. I'm going to continue to use it and obviously update you guys, but Relaxer Day was blessed. It was great. It was awesome. That conditioner really set the tone for my flat, super flat iron, and actually it's kind of overly way down at this point, but you guys get the picture. It was amazing. So yeah, guys, that is my relaxer update, hair rant, all wrapped up in one. So I'm gonna get my nails done because they are begging to be done and I have somewhere to go, so time is ticking, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do my classic French manicure look.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose grip.
Hey guys, so I'm finally washing my hair, thank God. So I just finished clarifying and then I followed up with a moisturizing shampoo. So I'm gonna deep condition at this point, and I'm using my Care Humecto. Love this stuff, truly a staple, and as you guys can see, it's super low. I'm really trying to stretch this thing out as long as possible. So today I'm going to be adding some silicone mix bamboo. This has quickly become like a staple and a favorite of mine. I love this stuff and it's like perfect for relaxed hair. So now I'm going to be adding some oils. I love to use olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil in my deep conditioners, especially if they don't have, you know, a lot of oils already in the ingredients. So I call these oils the 3PO, so 3 penetrating oils, and they really help to just seep right into the cortex to nourish, provide elasticity, and just fortify the hair. So I just love adding them into most of my deep conditioners. Some of them I don't bother because they already have oils, but majority of the time you'll see these oils in my DCs. So this is the first wash day after relaxer, and normally I would do like a light protein treatment or an Olaplex treatment of some sort, but to be honest, it's really important to listen to your hair, you guys. And I say this because my hair was screaming for moisture. So it was relaxed, it was flat ironed. I left it flat ironed for a good week and a half-ish or so. So at this point, it was begging and screaming for moisture. And I didn't feel to add protein into the mix. I just wanted to focus on hydration and just making sure that my hair felt softer and more manageable. So yeah, just as a rule of thumb, if you know your hair is feeling dry after relaxer day, go and do that moisture treatment. I know it's been drilled into our heads to do a protein treatment after a relaxer, but it's always important to listen to your hair first and foremost. So I'm gonna let this marinate for a little bit. I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer for about maybe 30 minutes or so, and then rinse and blow dry on cool air. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.